how to disable the hyper flash using forscan. Now on this vehicle here, I installed front LED turn signal. And when I turn on the turn signal, you see I got this hyper flash. But I don't know if you can see it or not, but how the turn signal flashes normally. Like I said, here how we're going to show it. And what you want to do is go to body control module, the as built. Since mine's got a switch, I will need to switch it to the high speed. Alright, now since we're on here, what you want to go to is the 726-2701. So right here. Now right here, you want to go to this first block. Mine is a 1, so that means it detects outage. If you change that to a 0, it'll disable it. So what I do, since I cannot hit right there, hit right all. And this step will also, you want to hit yes. And this will work with the Ford Fusions, I believe the maybe 15 and up, and the Ford F-150s. So you'll see it flash and hear a clicking sound. So I don't know if anybody noticed that it said service interrupted here. I'm not for sure why it did that, but it should have loaded it up and showed turn key off and back on, which you just go like this, off. I usually like to wait till the Ford logo goes off, but like I said, the 2701, I changed it to a 0, so disabled it, but I don't know why it gave me service interrupted. And now you see, it's just a steady flash. So let's try this again. Let's say I put the regular bulbs in and I want it to let me know that the turn signal's out. If I can get it to focus. There you go. So you just change that 0 that I had to a 1. Click right all. Yes and yes. Alright, so this is what it should have said. Block program successfully. To cycle the key off and back on. And here I've enabled it for the hyper flash to show you. Alright. And now you see it's flashing fast. But the turn signal flashing fine. Alright. Now I am going to disable it. Same thing, like I said, that 1, you want to change that to a 0. Hit yes. And this is to disable. When you change it to a 0, that will disable it. For some reason, my wipers are moving when it writes the system. So, alright, I'll turn the car off. Like I said, I like to wait till the Ford logo disappears, and also too, the little power port down there lights up. I like to wait till it turned off, which it just did. So, alright. And now you see it flashes steady. So that's how you disable the hyper flash using forscan. Thanks for watching.